Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I will teach you how to earn free BTC in this website or browser. So stay tuned. Hi guys, and here we are in this website or in the browser. The mining power I have is 151 hertz. It can add up or it can increase or decrease, depends on how you use this browser. So you can see here that my balance is 0.000019 or equivalent to 0.009. Here you can see all the upgrades they make, mining speed, and also you can use a mobile or cell phone or Android or Apple. And next is like this crypto daily. To keep mining and income growing, this crypto tab browser as your go browser on a daily basis. So as much as you use this browser, you can earn 2 BTC. So you can withdraw your funds and mine your mobile whenever you want. And that's it guys. They have promos and daily promos. So how to sign in, how to download this app, let's go. So guys, here it is. So you can sign in here. So the link is in the description below, so you can click it. So you can start now. So fast browsing, even faster mining. The crypto tab, the world's first browser with mining features. Earn Bitcoin without looking up or watching videos, chatting or gaming online. Join the community of more than 10 million users all over the world already enjoying crypto tab browser. So here you can see that you can use your mobile phones, tablet, PC, and your laptop. So download crypto tab, an innovative browsing solution combined by edgiest web technologies with the unique built-in mining algorithm. So here you can download it and how it works. It is an incredibly lightweight and fast browser. Built-in mining features crypto tab, user-friendly, customizable interface, support for synchronization on multiple devices. 5 reasons to use CryptoByte browser. CryptoTab browser. CryptoTab is a flexible solution providing you with all the tools to explore and navigate the web. It also has a whole pack of unique features, making it truly stand out among competitors. So earn while surfing the web. Activate mining, then just lean back, scrolling newsfeed, chatting on social media, or watching Netflix. CryptoTab's mining algorithm takes care of the rest. Multiply income and get your first Bitcoin. Inviting new users to the mining network via private links. So here you can. Number 2 is the fastest built-in mining algorithm. CryptoTab's mining algorithm delivers high-speed performance without slowing down the device, even a mobile one. You can increase the mining speed even further by enabling the cloud boost feature. So in this cloud boost feature, you can deposit money here, so they can speed up 10 times or even more your mining experience. So here you can see import data, switch to the new version, you may click. Yes, you can do that. Enjoy all of your Chrome extensions. Use CryptoTab on all of your devices. CryptoTab features, security filters and tabs and windows, address bar, search, CryptoTab features, cloud boost. So that's guys. So when you click the download button, you will see it here. You can accept and install. You can see here it's downloading now, so let's wait. Here you can see run the setup file after you download it. After the download is finished, let's run the setup file from download folders. Then next is confirm installation in the window appeared. Then open CryptoTab browser and final touch download CryptoTab files to get full-fledged mobile desktop like this. You can see it here. Then sign in. You can see here, let's click this and open it. It's opening. You see here on your masks. So because I already downloaded it, so this is an example only for you. It is now installing, connecting, waiting to download. Here you can withdraw your fund or your BTC here. So let's click the withdraw button. Said that you do not have enough BTC. The minimum BTC is 0.0001 BTC. So guys, I will update you if I can withdraw in this browser. So thank you for watching, guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and don't forget to share so your friends can join. So the link is in the description below. So thank you, guys. See you in my next video.